I think the southern portion of the Willamette Valley is kind of a hidden gem in terms of where to travel and what to do. It's something that's completely different, especially wine-wise, and it's a place that really speaks to what life is like here in the Willamette Valley.
In wine, we have this concept called terroir, that a piece of land has a voice or a personality that can articulate itself through wine. So we began to develop these ideas with grazing-based viticulture where we completely threw out all outside fertilization, and it's all based on rotational intensive grazing of very large numbers of livestock in the vineyard. And the results in the wines are really different. I like to think is that the people that visit Antiquum Farm are possibly going to have one of the deeper, more meaningful wine experiences that they may ever encounter. I think the impact of tourism to the Willamette Valley is definitely a positive, in that what I see is a lot of support for small farms, small businesses, independently owned restaurants. And that's definitely the kind of Willamette Valley vibe here, is small family owned independent businesses.